Welcome back, everyone. Today's spotlight is on something that could redefine how students become entrepreneurs. EON AI Ventures' new AI Entrepreneur Development Program.
Exactly. This isn't your typical classroom boot camp. It's a 6-month transformation, from campus to company founder, with no tuition fees and 100% company ownership for the participants.
Right from the start, students dive into real-world roles, product development, marketing, even legal ops. Then, they build their own AI company. No guesswork. EON assigns them high-value challenges based on proven unicorn patterns.
And let's not forget the tools. We're talking about no-code AI development, access to a 136 million user global marketplace, and personalized venture guidance every step of the way.
Selection is elite. The top 1% get in through AI-driven assessments. It's intense, but the potential? Massive. We're talking real companies, real revenue, and international investor intros before graduation.
If you're a student or a university looking to partner, this is your call. EON is laying the tracks for the next generation of AI entrepreneurs. The future just got a fast-forward button.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.